Okay, get dressed with me for the Your Winter Fall Haute Couture 2026. Nakakatuwa kasi puro mga luxury brand yung nag-i-invite sa akin sa mga ganitong event. Okay, for my top, this is my top. This is made in styro from Dior. This is disposable, not investment. Ganito yung itsura niya, like super top lang talaga. And for my bottom, this is my bottom. Okay, ganito yung itsura niya. Like, yes! Okay, for my accessories, magkikwintas lang ako, hindi na ako magbe-bracelet. Pero itong suot ko, lahat ito ay Dior. And for my boots, this is my boots. And I'm going to use this boots design also para mas maganda yung outfit ko. Okay, go. Like, ganito yung itsura niya. Like, yes! Pang winter fall haute couture talaga siya mga be. As in, hindi naman ako nagmukhang robot, no? Pero let's go for the bag. Okay? Okay, for my bag, this is super tiny Dior little bag. Okay, ganito siya. Sobrang detailed talaga. Sobrang detailed. Ayan, oh. Kung makikita nyo, super tiny lang talaga siya. Okay? This is limited edition. Okay, ganito na itsura ko. Di ba hindi nyo napapansin yung bag? And for the final look, for my super tiny little bag, ayan o. Yes! Okay, for the final look, this is my final look. Ang ingay. Ayan. So, this is my final look. Yes! Ito pa, post pa. Another pose. Another pose. Okay, kapag lalakad ako ganito. Na para bang robot.